Hey guys, I'm John from Kraus. Today, I'm going to show you how to install this Kraus Pop-up Drain. This pop-up drain is designed for sinks without an overflow. For sinks with an overflow, please refer to model PU11. Kraus Pop-up Drains have a metal body and tailpiece designed for maximum durability, in addition to rubber gaskets for a lifetime of leak-free performance. Let's get started. To start, remove the tailpiece from the drain body. Next, remove the coupling nut. Finally, remove the gasket. Make sure this rubber gasket is flush against the drain flange. Then, insert it into the drain hole of the sink.
From underneath the countertop, install this black gasket as we've done here. Next, take your coupling nut and thread it onto the drain body. Using a wrench or a pair of channel locks like we have here, tighten this nut until snug. It's important that you don't over tighten this nut. Once you've done that, take your tailpiece and make sure this black gasket is installed. Slip the collar over the black gasket and thread the tailpiece onto the drain body. Take your channel locks, tighten that until snug. Next, install your P-trap.
That's it. It's that easy. You now have a pop-up drain that perfectly complements your sink and faucet. If you run into any issues, do not hesitate to reach out to Kraus customer service, either by phone or at kraususa.com. Thanks for watching.